All right, so we're back. This is the second video that I'm posting for you. This video is going to be all about meiosis, or sometimes said meiosis. But meiosis, like we said, very similar process to mitosis. And now we're going to go through this to show exactly what this process is all about. Okay, so again, take notes, follow along as you go. But meiosis or meiosis creates cells which are similar. Okay, what you're really creating throughout all of this, and all the writing that I'm going to do in this one will be in red, unlike the mitosis video where it was all in blue. But this is creating cells which are genetically similar, but not exactly the same. Okay, through this process, it's going to split and create, it's going to start out the same way and create things which are identical. And you're going to get two of those. Okay, so we wind up with this. Oops, I forgot this one over here. Sorry, guys. Okay, it's going to split, and then it's also going to split a second time, and then you're going to wind up with cells which are similar, but not exactly the same. Okay, and you can also wind up with cells which are okay. Notice that these, we started out, here's our parent cell over here, and these are our daughter cells. Cells over here. Okay, notice that over here our parent cell has 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes, but over here our daughter cells only contain 2 chromosomes. So we wind up with 4 daughter cells which have half as many chromosomes as the original parent cell. Okay, these similar cells each contain half a set of genetic information to build the organism, and these cells are called haploid cells. Haploid cells will always have exactly half the number of chromosomes as the original parent cell. So if the original parent cell had 8, the haploid daughter cells will contain 4. If, like in humans, the diploid parent cell contains 46, then their cells after meiosis will contain 23. So it's always going to be cut in half. The number is cut in half. Okay, or reduced by half. Okay. These haploid cells are known as sex cells. These are all of the cells of an organism which are used for reproduction. We saw in mitosis that we were making body cells. Well, this in meiosis, we are making sperm cells or egg cells. In a plant, it's a little bit different, but we're not going to get into plants for right now. Okay, we're going to focus on animals, and males in the animal kingdom, during meiosis, they create sperm cells. Females create egg cells. Those are the only cells which are created through meiosis. Everything else is mitosis. Okay, meiosis, like mitosis, does take place in both plants and in animals. Okay, and like we said, it's used to create the cells to make the next generation. It makes babies. Sperm cells and egg cells are the cells that animals use, humans in particular, use to make babies. Okay, males create sperm cells, females create egg cells, and we'll see later on this week or next week about how do those come together to create a new life. Okay, so to review, okay, in meiosis, okay, we still start out with 1 parent cell, but here we end up with 4 daughter cells, not just 2. We wind up with 4 daughter cells. Okay, it divides twice. The division takes place 2 times. It splits once to give you 2 cells, and then each of those 2 cells split a second time, and that's how you get 4. Okay, this is used to create sex cells. And like we said, in animals, those would be sperm and egg cells. Okay? And what this is used for is to create the cells used to make more organisms. Right? We said that reproduction is the process of making more of itself, but also a species or an organism making more of itself. So that's how two parents would come together to have a baby. That would be reproduction. And the cells created through meiosis, the sperm cells and the egg cells, are the cells that make that happen. Okay, so I hope this helps between this video and the one I just posted on mitosis. I hope this helps. Okay, don't forget, post a picture of your notes and answer the questions that came along with this video. Anything else you need, just reach out. You know how to get a hold of me. Good luck, guys.